Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Jenny's Archives. So today we are here at Park Hyatt Chennai for a stay. So this is going to be the home for next 2 days. So I'm going to show you all how this property looks like. So this is the view from the entrance and you can see a huge parking lot for the visitors. So the parking is absolutely free and you also have valet parking facilities here. And then this is the way to the lobby. So the welcome was very nice, and this is my first day at Park Hyatt and I'm very excited to make this vlog. And this is the lobby where you find the reception area, and on the top you have the famous restaurant Flying Elephant, which is open for brunch on Sundays only. So here and there were a lot of artworks. For example, this floating lady was there in the lobby and it was really nice. And this is the way to the dining room, where it is open for breakfast, lunch and dinner, so you can try this one. And on the right you have the elevator. So here also you could find a lot of paintings, and then you can find this candles, and the ambience were really good. There are totally 8 floors here, so we are staying on the 8th floor and I'm going to show you all what is there in that floor. So on the left we have the Andapura spa here. On the rooftop we also have an infinity pool, which I will be showing you later in this video. First, now let's see how this room looks like. The room was really spacious and the lighting was very good, and we had a good work table and there was a coffee maker, and we had this nice bathtub and all. So everything was very nice and I really liked the stay here. You also have in-room dining service where you can have your food from the comfort of your room. So I will also show you what are the food that we ordered at room and we had, and I will be showing you the breakfast, how the menu was and everything, and also about the restaurants here. So this is the view from our room and it is exactly opposite to ITC Grand Chola, and here we have the Prestige Group and Ramada Plaza. So I have a complete vlog of ITC, so if you want to check that, I will be giving it in the I button above. I also have a video on Ramada Plaza which I will be posting it soon. And this is the breakfast in the dining room. We have a huge buffet where you can find a lot of Western food and also Indian food. So based on your preferences you can have the food here. It is not much crowded, and you can see the Western specialities. For example, you have eggs of your choice, and then you have smoked salmon, and then you have waffles, and then you have French toast, and all those things are Western specialities. And for the Indian specialities you have puri bhaji, and then dosa, idli, paratha, and then you also have vada. You also have a lot of options for the desserts here, and you can see some muffins and then breads, so a lot of varieties here. And they also serve fresh juices and freshly cut fruits, and then you have buttermilk, and then you have whole fruits. Everything was there. I'm also showing you some of the breakfast options that were available, and I really loved the quality of the food, and they were absolutely fresh, and I really liked the taste also, because sometimes when we are staying we do not love the taste of the food, but here everything tasted really fine. And the staffs were also very courteous and they do serve at your table. I also ordered some pancakes from the table, so which was fresh, and they gave some whipped cream, maple syrup and then berry sauce. It tasted very nice and I really loved it. My husband wanted puri bhaji, so he ordered from the table and it was served very hot, and the taste was also very good. For some healthy options we also ordered some smoked salmon and then cheese omelette. So to finish off we had one filter coffee and one cappuccino. So these were the breakfast options here. And outside this dining room you have a beautiful lily pond where you have a restaurant called Mr.ong here. It's a Singaporean restaurant which is newly opened here at Park Hyatt. If you want to a review of that, I will be giving the I button above. You can click that and check. And look at this beautiful lily pond with those pebbles and the sunlight reflecting. Overall this property is such a luxury and I really loved each part of it. And on the opposite you have a dedicated bar which is open full time, and you can also see the Lord Ganesha's idol which sees the lily pond. Oh my god, that was so beautiful, and I definitely recommend Park Hyatt for those who are planning to stay with your family and friends. And also, if you have any business meet, you can definitely try staying here. And here on the rooftop you have an infinity pool which is very beautiful, and you all can see here they definitely follow all the COVID protocols because they have thermal scanning, and also you have a take shower before stepping into the pool, and you should wear the swimming attire. So everything is followed here. And then next, for the in-room dining, for the lunch we ordered some salmon with some hollandaise, so it tasted really good. Not only the breakfast, also the lunch was really good. We ordered some chettinad chicken gravy which goes well with the roti and then naan, and we also ordered some orange juice. So food was really good, I really loved it. For the dinner we went to the dining room and we ordered some food and we had. So first we started with the shorba. It was very nice, it was hot and it was good for the throat. And then we ordered some chili mud crab from the mr.ong restaurant. So if you want a review about the restaurant, I'm leaving it in the description below. And it was a huge crab and it was served with some mantos. Everything was great, and to finish off we ordered for a dessert, and it was a tart with a lot of nuts as toppings. So we also loved this one. So this is the overall review of Park Hyatt Hotel. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.